Hey everyone, Juan here with Trilogy Services AC. Today we're going to be looking at how our technicians clean and disinfect your HVAC ducts. We have specialized brushes that dig deep into your ducting system that help remove dust and other particles that are harmful to your health. We also use disinfectant solutions that kill 99% of bacteria and organisms that cause respiratory diseases such as the ones listed on your screen. Call us today and schedule your appointment to take advantage of our seasonal promotions. Also, don't forget to protect your family with the purchase of a UV light to help maintain a healthy air quality in your home. It takes us less than 30 minutes to install. Want to go a step further? Let us clean your dryer vent to remove lint and other debris that impairs the efficiency of your dryer. Call us today, and remember, be cool, be green, be healthy.